In this video, we're going to look at rounding to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now, it's really important to know place value when it comes to rounding. So we can see we've got units at the bottom as our smallest value, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands. These are about all you're going to need to know for this type of question. So if you're looking to round 1543 to the nearest 10, we're looking for this second digit here to be the most important digit. So this is the one that we're looking to round. The one directly next door, and in this case it's our units, is the one that decides what happens to it. So I'm going to show you a little analogy now that we're going to look at to decide when we're going to round up and when we're going to leave the number as it is. The analogy I like to show is the helium balloon. So if you can imagine the closed fist being 0, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Okay, and these are the numbers that are going to be important here. So this is a 3, and we can see the balloon will stay as it is when it's a closed fist. So 0, 1 stays where it is, 2 stays where it is, 3 stays where it is, 4 stays where it is, and when we get to 5, the balloon goes up. Now we can think of that as our numbers, that actually this number here is 3, so this 4 will stay exactly as it is. So if we write it down, well, 1 is important, the 5 is important, the 4 is staying as it is, and this 3 is disappearing and changing to a 0 when we round. So we're going to do the same now, looking at the next number, and we're rounding 1543 to the nearest 100. So we can see here our hundreds is the third number along. So if we look here, we've got 5 is our third number along, the 4 is directly next to it, the 3 is too far away. It's only the number next door that we're going to be concerned with. So if we look at our balloon analogy over here, we've got 4 fingers released here. The balloon can stay where it is, which means our number will stay exactly as it is as well. So when we write this answer down, the 1 is important, the 5 is remaining as it is, the 4 is changing to a 0, and so does the 3. So 1543 to the nearest 100 is 1500. Looking at the next one, we're looking to round to the nearest 1000 this time. And if we look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers along is the thousands. So our fourth number along here is what we're rounding. This time the 5 is directly next door. The 4 and the 3 are too far away to make a difference. So when we get to our 5th finger, we can see the balloon is going up into the sky, which means the number is going to go up as well. So instead of this being a 1, it's going to change now to the next number up, which is a 2. The 5 is replaced with a 0, and so are the 4 and the 3. So 1543 to nearest 1000 is 2000. I'm going to put some questions up for you to have a practice and see if you can get them right. Good luck and hope this helps. If you press pause now, have a go at these questions to see if you can get them right. Good luck. And here are the answers. Each time you can see I've underlined the important number and the number next to it and crossed out all the numbers that are too far away to make a difference. Thank you for watching.